I've got this 1950s bike cycle here, and now I'm doing a little experiment. I will remove everything, except of the saddle, that could be uncomfortable, and see how low can we go, parts wise. And here it is now, bare minimalist. This is it. Minimalist cruiser bike. White walls. Now let me show you how it looks. Nice, isn't it? I didn't choose a rainy day on purpose to test a bike without fenders. It's just coincidence. It's single speed, scooter brake, the saddle is screwed in place, no quick release, nothing on the handlebars. I will add grips, I don't have one yet. So now let me show you a few pictures I took of it and talk a bit about this bike. Well, first of all, I really like how it rides. It's smooth and, well, it's sporty with the single speed. So, just about the bike itself, I have given it a name. It's now called the Greek Goddess because, well, the white and the blue, the Greek flag, you know, and yeah, it kind of fits it. And yeah, I give all of my bikes names, usually, unless I forget them. Yeah, this is a very nice experiment. I will definitely enjoy riding this in the summer, on a day when it's not wet. Yeah, it's a nice weather bike. It's not for rain and snow. Yeah, like in Greece. So yeah, what about it else? It is street legal as long as you drive it by daylight. At night you have to add lights, yeah, but they have those battery powered now if you really have to. If you want to transport something, well, yeah, you gotta rely on a backpack. And one thing I will definitely do is I have to buy a pair of new tires. Those ones, they are from the 70s or something, and they are very brittle and will soon fail. They're good for a few kilometers, but yeah, I will change them. Yeah, I will probably add some handlebars, maybe some white handle tape around the side or something like that. Unless I can find white handles, that would be looking nice. Maybe I switch even over to a leather saddle or to a white saddle, that could look nice. But technically speaking, I have done all the things. I have lubricated the bearings, which was very easy. I mean, it's a single speed, so there is not much to disassemble. Yeah, and here a reminder of how it looked before. The light wasn't working anyhow, and the fenders were not needed anymore. So yeah, I think this little experiment turned out nice, and I will definitely look forward to ride this more often in the future.